Imagine a machine that's as timeless as it is modern, a blend of heritage and innovation that's been winning hearts since 1958. Meet the 2025 Honda Super Cub C125, a motorcycle that's not just a ride, but a legend on two wheels. Let's dive into why this bike is turning heads again. Underneath its iconic silhouette lies a peppy 125cc single-cylinder engine, fuel-injected for smooth, responsive power. It's not about raw speed here, it's about efficiency and reliability. With a claimed 188 miles per gallon, this engine sips fuel like a morning coffee, making it perfect for city commutes or lazy Sunday rides. The automatic centrifugal clutch and 4-speed transmission mean even new riders can hop on and feel like pros. No gears to fiddle with, just twist and go. But how does it handle? The Super Cub's secret is its lightweight frame and low center of gravity. It's nimble, flickable, and almost dances through traffic. The suspension, soft enough to glide over potholes, but firm enough to keep you planted on winding roads. And those 17-inch wheels wrapped in retro-style tires? They're not just for looks, they add stability and a touch of classic charm. Speaking of charm, let's talk design. The 2025 model keeps the Cub's signature curves, but adds modern flair. The teardrop fuel tank, chrome accents, and that unmistakable step-through frame scream nostalgia, while LED lighting and a digital analog combo gauge bring it into the future. The paint options glossy red, sleek black, or pearl white air vibrant and deep, turning every stoplight into a mini photo shoot. Comfort isn't an afterthought. The upright riding position is easy on your back, and the plush seat feels like it's hugging you. Plus, that rear cargo rack isn't just for show strap on a box, and you've got grocery hauling superpowers. Now, what makes the Super Cub stand out in a crowd of scooters and bikes? It's the legacy. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a piece of history, updated for today. It's the world's best-selling vehicle for a reason. Honda's reputation for bulletproof reliability means this bike will outlast your cravings for new gadgets. And here's the kicker, it's eco-friendly without shouting about it. Meeting strict emission standards, it's a quiet rebel in the sustainability game. Add in features like an answer-back horn and a smart keyless ignition, and you've got a machine that's as thoughtful as it is thrilling. So, who's this for? The urban explorer craving style and practicality, the retro enthusiast who wants modern guts in a vintage shell, or anyone who believes riding should be simple, joyful, and a little bit magical. The 2025 Super Cub isn't just a motorcycle, it's a smile generator on wheels. Close your eyes and picture this. Sun on your face, the hum of that trusty engine, and the road whispering, "Let's go." That's the Super Cub experience. And honestly, once you ride one, you'll wonder how you ever settled for anything else.